Okay, here we are in Cleveland, Ohio. Take a look at this humongous chandelier. This is Playhouse Square, a historic district. Over here across the street, you got a lady getting ready to shoot a news report. Kind of funny, she's the one carrying the big old camera and her cameraman isn't. But this is the chandelier. It just towers above. There's the facade there at the very top. It says Playhouse Square. Currently, they're playing, or they're showing Back to the Future, the musical, here in this area. So all the signs that you see, there's a big sign way out that has Back to the Future musical. There's a theater here, theater there, theater there. So 3 different theaters. Here's some of the history with this. The Playhouse Square District, largest performing arts center west of New York, welcomes 1 million visitors annually and 8 spaces for Broadway shows, concerts, arts, education, and more. 4 of the 1920s theaters were saved moments from a wrecking ball and being restored. Still the largest theater restoration project. So pretty cool little area. If you're a theater fan or a theater nut, this area would appeal to you. Playhouse Square here in Cleveland, Ohio.